Hello guys! In this lesson, we're going to talk about activating WhatsApp Web. Let's get started. WhatsApp is intended to be used in your mobile phones. Once you have a WhatsApp account on the personal app or the business app, you can activate a WhatsApp Web for your WhatsApp account using your web browser. WhatsApp Web can mirror your conversations in your WhatsApp mobile app. The web version is still secured since it will use a QR code that is unique to every account, so no QR codes are alike. Using the WhatsApp Web, it will be easier for you to respond to your customer inquiries, since you will be using your computer's keyboard to type in your response to inquiries. This is very helpful if you're receiving hundreds of messages every day from different people. You can type in faster using your computer or your laptop's keyboard and use the large screen of your laptop or monitor to view the list of messages that you receive on your WhatsApp personal account or business account. Before you can use a WhatsApp Web for your WhatsApp account, you need to activate it first before you can mirror your messages on your account. The activation needs to be done once only. You don't have to worry about taking the time to scan a QR code every time you want to use the WhatsApp Web on your computer. Let me show you how to activate your WhatsApp Web. Go to your WhatsApp personal or business app, tap on the three dots, and you will see a pop-up menu to choose more options and settings. Choose the WhatsApp Web. You will see the Scan QR Code page that you will use to scan the QR code that you will see on your browser as you go to the WhatsApp Web URL. This gives you instructions on how to activate the WhatsApp Web. First, open your web browser and input the URL web.whatsapp.com. This animation shows you how to scan the QR code using your WhatsApp mobile app. Once you get how to use it, tap this button to start scanning the QR code. Let's go to our computer's browser. Go to web.whatsapp.com, and this is the QR code that you will scan using your WhatsApp mobile app. You may notice that if you don't scan the QR code right away, it asks you to reload this image to generate a new code again to scan. Just use the app to scan this QR code, and your WhatsApp Web will be activated right away. When you check your mobile phone, it has a notification that the WhatsApp Web is activated. If your internet connection on your mobile phone was interrupted or you are no longer connected to the internet, then you will see this on your browser as you reload it. This means that for the WhatsApp Web to work, you have to make sure that your mobile phone is connected to the internet so WhatsApp Web can mirror your WhatsApp messages. If you click this icon, you can view your WhatsApp status and also the status of your WhatsApp contacts, but you cannot upload your status here using the web app. When composing a message, you can only send text messages with emojis, GIFs, and stickers. If you click on the mic icon, you need to use your computer's microphone and allow access to record voice messages. Click this button, then allow the web to use your mic. Just click the mic icon and record your voice. You will see the length of your recording here, and you can click on the X icon to cancel the recording or click the check button to send the recording to your recipient. As you can see, on our WhatsApp mobile, the voice message we sent is received and a pop-up notification is shown on the screen. If you click on the file icon, it will show you a drop-down menu of icons that you can choose from. You have photos and videos, camera, document, and contacts. If you click on photos and videos, you will open your directory where you can search for photos and videos that you can share with your recipient. Then add a caption here. You can also add emoji and add more files if you need to. Then click this icon to send this to your recipient. And this is what our recipient will see on a screen. If you click on the camera icon, you need to have access to your computer's camera. If you click Documents, you can access your hard drive to search for documents that you can send to your recipient. Then choose the document. You may notice that you cannot add a caption here. You can either add another document or send this right away. If you tap on it, you'll be able to see the document without sending it to your contact's email address. If you click Contact, you can send one of your WhatsApp contacts to your recipient. Once you receive that contact that you shared, your recipient can send a message to that contact and also add them to their WhatsApp contacts list. If you click on the three dots inside the chat thread, you have more options to choose from, such as you can view the contact's info, report business, block the contact, select messages, mute notifications, clear messages, and delete chat. In this upper menu, click the three dots and you have more options such as add a new group, you can check your profile, check archive chats, view stored messages, and unstar all messages here, the settings menu which is only limited to notifications for sound alerts, change wallpaper colors, and view blocked contacts. You can even use the search bar to search for chats. Now that you have learned about activating WhatsApp Web, we can now proceed to the next topic, using WhatsApp Web as a marketing tool. I'll see you there. Hello guys, in this lesson, we're going to talk about using WhatsApp Web as a marketing tool. Let's get started. WhatsApp Web is a great tool that you can use once you have registered a number. That could be a landline number or a mobile number that you will use for your WhatsApp personal or business account. In the previous lesson, we have learned about how to activate the WhatsApp Web application on a web browser, which needs to be done only once. Then after that, you can use WhatsApp Web every time you need to use your WhatsApp account using your laptop or your computer. Use the WhatsApp Web app to respond to your contacts easily. You can easily type in your response to any of your contacts' inquiries about your products or services using your computer. If you're a busy person and you work on your computer the whole day, then it will be a burden to check on your phone every time somebody sends you a message on your WhatsApp mobile app. With your computer keyboard, you can type faster compared to using your mobile phone's keypad. And you can send any media to your customers if the files that you want to send to your contacts are stored in your computer. Especially if you have created your promotions using your computer and you won't be connecting your mobile phone to your computer anymore just to transfer the files to your mobile phone and send them to your WhatsApp contacts. Create a group on your WhatsApp Web. Click those three dots, then click on Create Group. Here you can add participants that you want to add into your new group. These are your WhatsApp contacts that are saved as your contacts on your mobile phone. Even if you're not using your mobile phone, you can still access your WhatsApp contacts list here. Select the contacts that you want to add to your group. And if you want to remove any of your contacts that you have selected, click the X icon under Name. Then you have an option to add a photo or an icon for your group, then type in the group subject here. If you tap on the three dots on the group you have created or any of the chat thread, you have the options to archive chat, mute notifications, exit group, mark as unread, and the most important here is pin chat. If you have 3 pinned chats already, select the chat thread to unpin, then you can pin another chat thread. Our created group will be shown on the top of the chat list. Send one-to-one chats using the web app. If you click this new message icon, you can create a new chat to send to your WhatsApp contacts. Doing this will save you time in accessing your mobile phone just to send chat messages to one of your contacts. Use quick replies. If you've set up your quick replies on your mobile app, you can still use the predefined messages to send to your contacts using the web app. Just type in the / key and the list of predefined replies that you have created will be shown here. Then choose a quick reply and send it to your contact. View your status and your contact stories. If you click on the web app status icon on the top of the search box, you will see this window where you can view your status, and below your status, you can see a list of your contacts with status or stories they have uploaded within 24 hours. On the right side of the screen, you can see thumbnails of your stories and the number of people who viewed your stories beside the eye icon. In this section, you can view the current time and date your WhatsApp stories was viewed by your contacts. You can tap on each of your story and view them longer, unlike on your mobile app, which lets you view your stories in just a few seconds. You can also see in this section the time bar, which moves when each story is currently playing. When viewing stories on WhatsApp Web, your WhatsApp contacts can also send replies to each of your story, as you can see the reply text box below. Just type in your reply, and you have the option to add an emoji to your message by using an emoji. Then click this icon to send it. You can see in your WhatsApp Web that our reply to one of our WhatsApp contacts was sent, and it's seen in this section. On your mobile phone, tap on the 3 dots and choose WhatsApp Web. You can see the logged in devices in this section. If you're currently using your WhatsApp Web on your browser, you may see the status of your WhatsApp Web here. If you're not doing anything like browsing or typing a message on your WhatsApp Web, You will see on your mobile phone that the status of your web app is last active with the date and time. The web app syncs with your mobile app and it mirrors every message seen on your mobile. If you reply to one of your contacts using your WhatsApp web, you will see on your mobile that the status will change to currently active right away. Now that you have learned about using WhatsApp web as a marketing tool, we can now proceed to the next chapter, WhatsApp Stories. I'll see you there.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and go to technicforce.com for more tools and training.